So I'm just adjusting one of my favorite patients here. So you got some upper back pain there. You
That's
said?
it.
Okay.
Absolutely.
There you go. That was nice.
Oh, dude.
Yeah, that moved nicely.
Oh, yeah. But it's crazy how much relief you get.
It's a big change, huh?
Oh, it's a life changer.
Nice and relaxed. Okay, other side. Face up. Let it relax. Good. Let it relax. There we go. Okay.
It's just awesome.
Awesome.
Oh my God.
Oh, baby.
He's a man, baby.
Yeah.